All right, everyone, I am back. I've been busy making up frame. So this car here, we did the lower rad support cut and weld in months and months and months ago. They got in a fender bender and they want it all fixed. So we picked up, he wanted an OEM bumper cover, he wanted it all fixed right. So we have all those parts. I'll bring you back when we get any further. He also wanted the check engine light fixed, an oil change, the differentials, and then we had a section of the frame up here that in this area we had some rot, so I made a custom panel for it. And then we had some rot up inside of here, so I made another custom panel for that. And then I said, hey, we'll just keep an eye on these spots right now, and they're not really bad, and we'll just keep an eye on them with your oil changes and see how they go. Fixable? Not fixable. Well, this is fixable. Somebody should have never put a control arm on this car. This was just recently done. And this has been, these signs were all here to not do any suspension work to this car or in alignment without the subframe. Thanks for watching.